Can I pass me that extension?
Pass it on.
Oh, the extension.
Jan is the extension.
Jan's extension.
Thanks for the extension.
There's the extension.
Kiddo, it's the wrong one. Push into the bushing and then down.
Just think, if this car goes off the exercise, we're all dead. I forgot to start filming and Will's just reminded me because I'm a shit YouTuber.
Because I'm fucking good. Sorry, that's fine. Because I'm really good.
Today I'm at the farm with the IPC boys and Kiddo, and we are apparently throwing things at my car. We're doing the short shift today. I need to get this out, it's nearly done. And then we need to remove some heat shielding underneath, and then should be able to get it on pretty easily. And maybe some other bits while I'm here, depending how much time we have today. Hello!
Wait, is that the other half of my number? No.
That's the first half.
Right, Chaz is tugging his car off.
I'm so close!
Right, so what have we got? We've taken the genuinely fake carbon fibre out. What's this thing? Was that just a surround in there?
Yeah, it's yeah.
You're such a big E46 guy. Have you got me?
Fuck's sake.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Spare pants.
Oh, I've slid quite far forward actually.
Quite far forward.
Go back, sorry.
How far forward?
Far enough that it's probably worth going back up. Why did it do such a fucking front flip?
I can like really do with you guys buying a ramp.
Don't damage my gun.
I told you it's too big.
Yeah, that's too big.
We want 12.
You don't, you want 13.
So I said 13.
13 sounds fun. Oh my god.
That would have landed on the end of the gun if you hadn't stopped it.
Pass it
Can I
on.
pass me that extension?
Pass it on.
Oh, the extension.
Jan is the extension.
Jan's extension.
Thanks for the extension.
There's the extension.
Kiddo, it's the wrong one.
Just think, if this car goes off the exercise, we're all dead.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah.
There's no other way I'd rather go out than under an E46. See inside your car.
Good. So, we can now just remove the C-clip.
Just undo the C-clip.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Sorry.
I need some light.
I meant I've come.
No, you're in the way of my light.
Huh? Now I can't see anything.
Chaz.
Chaz, shine some light up there. Oh, hello, Bobber.
Oh.
Right, hang on, let me...
But you're...
Can you go into first gear? Ow, no. It's one massive forearms up there.
Is that what that is?
It's awkward trying to get it.
You need my even larger forearms up there.
The car's grown fingers and is fighting back. How is it going in there for you two?
It would be better if I could fucking see what I'm doing.
Well, open your eyes.
Oh.
That's helped.
Where's my wanky torch, Jan?
So it needs to go up.
You need to come back. So you push into the bushing and then down.
Oh, see. Oh god, it's in my eyes.
Can you not pry that from the top?
If you could pry it from the top, do you not think you pry it from the top?
I don't know.
I reckon so,
Oh.
I need to take this pin out.
No. Don't even go off.
watch your face, Will.
There's monster all over the floor here.
How's that happen?
I don't know. Well, I'm going upstairs. Which way am I going? How about now?
Yeah.
See, I told you, I just needed to approach that from a fresh angle. I just needed to be upstairs. Right, it's coming down to you.
Oh my god!
Oh,
I've got it.
I've come. What's that, Chaz? Rave?
So hard, was it?
They're about to have one.
Have you been doing drugs?
Yeah.
I don't use these.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do all the
I
time.
don't. I've literally never had it. No, turn that camera. I'm helicoptering.
Helicopter.
I'm trying to do the sandwich plate up. There's two absolute nuts under the car.
Yeah.
Hold a spanner.
Ow!
Evidence A.
Right, what we're going to do now first. Yeah, I'll take the monster. Yeah, so you put that in there and you just twist, you rotate it like. Oh my god! My legs. There we go.
Oh, fuck's sake. Time to start again. So I've done 3 of them.
He's done 3 of them.
I've done 3 of them, so now we're on the 4th.
Yep.
We're waiting for someone down low to get nutted.
Do you want these back?
The washers? Yeah,
washers don't have to go on there?
we'll just keep them.
No.
They're for packaging.
Yeah, alright.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, it's got a mind of its own.
Are you on that yet?
Yeah. Wait.
You've got your ratchet going the wrong way, don't you?
Yeah. Go.
Are you sure?
Anyway, so smooth process. Chaz has just nipped 3 of them up. He's just nipping the 4th one up.
Light work, you know. Mechanic like me.
Big magnet guy. There you go. First, second, third, 4th, 5th.
You know in skate, when you have to do like the tricks and it's like Ollie, it's like down and up.
Yeah.
You go like down and around.
Careful, you're going to kickflip the car.
What?
Don't film this one, I just put the other one in really nicely.
No, I put the other one in really nicely.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, well that's in all neutrals now.
Just fit in the new wheels! Put the standard wheel nuts in on the spacers and they were too far that they were poking through and rubbing on this.
Yeah, what they rubbing
So
on?
what they rub on this, don't they?
No.
Am I going to have to get the light gun on it?
Oh my god. Put a spacer on and wind some bolts in there and see what it's rubbing on. You'll see it in the back. Spanner and chocolate, like just in here. Yeah, vision. We'll get around a bit more. And just catching there. We're just gonna. When you sometimes if you give it a little booster, but be aware when it goes.
You going to be alright with it this time, or am I going to have to go over there?
Okay, now let me stand on it and then put the probe in after.
Bright as toad.
Yeah, go around to you. Spin him. Everyone ready? I don't know why we've been fucking around all day.
Is this all you took?
Yeah, that is actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've had a pizza and it's just come fucking straight off.
Should have had a pizza at 11 AM.
Yeah, you should have arrived with pizza. We'd be at the pub by now.
The pub's wherever I am.
I reckon an hour.
An
Anyway,
How much did that fresh roll
set you back? Right, got a bit distracted and focused on actually getting the car done today, so the filming kind of declined a bit. But we're out of the garage. Willa's just doing stuff, I don't know. But it's on and the spacers are on, the short shifter's on. We've also done a bit more, I don't know what you call it, weight reduction in the back. We've removed like the internal parcel shelf. But yeah, let's have a look at the wheels really quick. It's yet to be test driven, but we're just saying fuck it, to be honest. So the 20mm spacers are on. I think I'm gonna buy some nicer stud caps. Just make it look a bit nicer at some point. It's fine. Doesn't scrub on full lock either, but it might well still do under compression, so I might have to raise the front a bit. I'm about to go out and test drive it, make sure it's all okay. If we look in the back though, you can see I've kind of stripped the top out, the headrest, all of that's out, the speakers are out. That'll probably get some like, I don't know, I'll cover it with something and to level out the back. Short shifter is in, obviously. That's there, that feels really nice, notchy, and it's definitely gonna get really hot in the sun. But I might get a new gear knob at some point, which is not a priority. I think next I'm gonna be trying to tackle seats and brakes, because now I've got the spacers on, the brakes will actually fit, because they're getting blocked by the back of there, so they'll fit now. So I'll get them on in a bit. But yeah, I think it's time for a beer. What about you boys? You're on water and you've built a shelf.
Yeah, I was just saying, how nice would a bar look along there that I can hang stuff on? Sorry, this is not really car related.
Right, so as you can see, the filming and all of that just fell off. What happened is we fit the short shifter and then we decided to do the spacers. The spacers were catching the back because the wheel nuts were too long, so we just got the angry spanner and we cut them down a little bit so they would clear. Finally got them on, got it sat. I need to now adjust the coilovers and raise them up a little bit just because I am scrubbing loads on the back. I mean, this was, I'm not gonna lie, done about a month ago now, I wanna say, maybe a bit longer as of filming right now. So I still haven't sorted the coilovers, but they're on the list to do. And yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. It was a bit of a mess in terms of filming and all of that. I didn't really explain what's going on, so I apologize. But if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Drop a like, comment. I have just about to start editing the next video, so hopefully there won't be too long a gap in between. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Bye.